Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious oatmeal banana pancakes. This simple recipe uses common ingredients you likely have on hand. We'll start by gathering everything, including 2 ripe bananas, 1 cup of rolled oats, 2 large eggs, and 1/2 cup of milk. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a small pinch of salt. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get to blending. First, combine your 1 cup of rolled oats, 1/2 cup of milk, and 2 ripe bananas in a blender. Blend these until the mixture is smooth and creamy. Next, add the 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Blend for just a few seconds more until everything is incorporated. Be careful not to overmix the batter. With your batter ready, it's time to cook. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or non-stick pan over medium heat. You want it hot enough to sizzle, but not smoking. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake onto the hot surface. Cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until you see bubbles forming on top and the edges look set. Flip carefully and cook until golden brown. Your delicious oatmeal banana pancakes are now ready to enjoy. Serve them warm, straight from the griddle. They are fantastic on their own, but you can elevate them with your favorite toppings. Consider fresh berries, a drizzle of pure maple syrup, or even a dollop of Greek yogurt for extra protein. These wholesome pancakes make a wonderful, satisfying breakfast or brunch for the whole family.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.